Hello everybody, just a little weekend video. I've just dropped the birds. That's now 6:15. I had 13 up. I went up at 9 this morning and I'm one short. I'll show you which one that is. There is, in order of this coming down, in order of dropping them, I've boxed them up. So this hit the deck first with 1, 2, 3, 4 prints, which is why I know I'm a print short, obviously, because I've got 5 little baby prints. Then this one was next. So what's that? That was 6, 7, 8, 9. So feed tray. Come on, mate. Here's number 9. 10 is this little hen. I like this hen. This hen's a lovely little hen. 11 was that one. And the last one down is this bad boy. He's always the last one down, which is another sign that I knew that the other one was probably dropped away somewhere. That'd be about in the morning. But yeah, a little print is missing. It's got a green ring like that on. Yeah, they've all had their food, so they're not very hungry at the minute now. But that was the order they dropped in. This lot as a kit, singly, then they all just drop down one after another. Do boom, 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 boom. Come on, you. Come on, then. Come on. Come on, then. He's obviously had enough food. But yeah, that's a nice little fly for them today. Been beautiful weather. Come on, Nan. Come on. Come on, Nan. Come on. Come on then. Good girl. Look at that. That is a beauty. Come on then. Look at that cock right there going around. Come on then, mate. Come on. Come on. They're not all like that. Come on then. He's pilot cross print he was. Again, that one there, that's a pilot cross print. And these little light ones are just print cross Max. Print cross Sheffield. Henbird. Pilot cross print. Come on then. Come on. That's the one and only Laston Gordon Hughes cross from the other year. This is old feed tray. Come on then. He's a vicious bugger, he is. Come on. Come on. Get on there so we can see you. Come on in. Come on. Get up here. That's it. Get up there so we can see you. Look. Look at him. It's a bit dark in there. Look at all this dust flying around. You don't believe it, the window open all day and the door open all day. Dust still collects, doesn't it? Come on now. But yeah, that's the flying kit that I've got flying at the minute. Then I've got some cockbirds up here that I've got to get out soon as. The kit of reds. Haven't seen the light of day for about half a year. And then I've got a kit of hen birds in here that need to go out. She's laid an egg. I know it's her because she laid an egg here earlier. And I'm prepping a pair to go in the stock loft. Because I think I've got a pair of Sheffields that aren't pairing up together. So we're going to try these. They might go in another box. Pure Macclesfield hen, and that we'd like to think is a cockbird, but we shall see. Okie doke then. Let's come to the front now. Little feed tray. Come on in. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Look at her, look. Come on. Good girl. That one's not looking too happy. Right, going to give these some water, and we'll see you next time. This is another little one. This is a lovely one, this one. Come on then. Come on. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good week, everybody. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.